Hey, did you hear that noise?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, I'm gonna go run straight towards it. Yeah, but why not? You know, we're YouTubers. That's what we do.
Yes.
We run straight towards the most dangerous things to try and get subscribers. No joke.
And if you like this video, subscribe.
Thank you for saying that for me.
And also
Press the bell too. Press that subscribe button if you haven't already.
the notification.
Currently, as far as I know, I only have 1 subscriber. Yeah. Anyways, there is a bottom to this. See? I'm getting close to it. I found the rusty bit.
Oh, the rusty?
Yeah. Do do do. But we don't. We actually don't. This video is gonna be.
Oh my gosh,
close
the
enough.
stairs.
Hopefully we don't die. Also, I'm gonna be the first person to go touch the shadowy figure. So I can get the jump scare. Just kidding.
Jump scared?
I'm just kidding. You're gonna get touched.
Run.
You're gonna touch it first. Also, I don't even know if there's a jump scare. Although it might be scary.
I've been down here before.
Yeah, but
We have died, but I think we
yeah, we just got touched by it. It's like this giant standstill figure.
Oh dear.
Oh, it's nose. Can we see it? I want to see it. We have to get on recording. We're on a safari. Look, it's a wild shadow. Where could it be? Where is that shadow? How far down are we?
Oh dear, it's right there. Wait, dude, is he gonna do that thing?
Oh, look.
Is he doing that thing where it's following us again?
You look. I can't see it. You have to go down there.
No, I'm not going down. Let's go.
Look. It's a ghost.
Okay, let's go.
Hello.
Oh dear, I guess I better get running. Please stop following me, Mr. Monster. Well, you guys can't see what's going on with me, but I'm still in the stairway and I haven't died.
I give up.
You give up?
No.
Why did you run into it?
No. It's not.
No, I'm gonna give up pretty soon. Oh no, the gap.
This is it. It's not worth it. You go down there, you
die.
get jump scared, and you die. We spent 2 whole videos going down here. Half of one and half of another. And what do we get? Death.
Actually, I'm not dead yet.
Good for you, but you're not even recording. Why did I do that?
I said not to do that.
No, you said to do that.
Dude, I said no.
Why does it give me that little blue thing? I don't need a
No,
gas
I'm almost
tank.
to the top.
Good for you. I'm dead.
Oh my gosh. This thing comes out with me. I'm gonna quit YouTube.
Yeah, but speaking of which, I need some Robux for the morphs.
Wait, you're at gate A?
Yeah, I'm leaving this place. Let's get out of here. This is evil. Shit all is. This is all stupid. They keep people inside cells. They test on them. But I get stuck with this job, doing this and that, and this music matches my mood.
Oh, you escaped.
Yeah, AFK, I'm due. If you guys can see what's going on, I'm trying to see how much a Game Pass costs really quick.
And I'm gonna almost die, so yay.
That would be nice.
Oh my gosh, I still have ways to go. It's like right under the...
Here. Dance. There you go. For you guys to watch.
So frustrating. Oh my gosh. gosh, I see it.
You do? Wait, look down.
Actually coming from. Where is the end? It keeps going up. Is it still recording? Is it still recording?
Yeah, it is. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
I need 299 Robux. So if I know this seems a little bit weird and like odd, but yeah, if you guys could find a way to donate some Robux, it would be greatly appreciated for
Or you can
better
just spend
things.
$1.
I don't have it on. Also, I need 80, 160, 240. I need $4. What do you think I'm gonna get $4 from? Well, I'm just getting back to the video. You guys don't need to do anything for me. I'm just saying, if anyone actually watches this and they want me to do something funny with the morphs that scares some people, like that guy did with me, which I thought he was the actual SCP, then yeah, so a little bit of a donation would be nice. Like
You scared me.
like create a group and invite me into it and like all that. Yeah.
This might be the end of the series.
This is not going to be the end of the series. Although it might be the end of the series for this game. But the series is going to continue.
Yeah, the series will continue. Next game might be.
Why? You see, you can't leave. I told you. Yeah. I'm going to go back in. And since this video is basically about to be over, and we've kind of done everything we really can do in this game that's actually interesting. Well, actually, no, there is more interesting stuff. I'm just saying. Oh, that scared me so bad. He actually scared me. Jeez.
Dude, where'd it go? God. Kill me.
I'm gonna follow this guy. That actually scared me.
I see it. It's all the way down there. See, it's all the way down there.
Let me go find something spooky. To end this video, we're gonna be playing with a little bloob. My friend just died.
Yes. Well, I'm gonna.
Well, this is how we're gonna end the video.
Yeah, we might go to what is it?
Hello. SCP containment breach.
Yeah. So,
Hello.
We'll see you in
Hello.
the next. We'll see you in the next video.
Hello. See you guys. Bye. Wait,
Just left the game.
Miss-
Just literally just left the game.
All right, bye.